Have you ever wondered how we detect the subtle tremors of the Earth or measure the minuscule vibrations of atoms? It's all thanks to the ingenious measuring instruments in physics. Introduction. Hello, young physicists. Welcome to Mind Over Physics. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of measuring instruments in physics, the essential tools that allow us to observe, quantify, and understand the physical phenomena around us. Key measuring instruments. 1. Potentiometer. Purpose: measures unknown voltages by comparing them to a known reference voltage without drawing current from the source. Principle: utilizes a uniform resistance wire and a sensitive galvanometer to find the point where no current flows, indicating equal voltage. Application: used in calibration of voltmeters and in laboratories for precise voltage measurements. 2. Seismometer. Purpose: detects and records the vibrations of the Earth, commonly known as seismic waves. Principle: consists of a mass suspended on a spring. When the ground moves, the relative motion between the mass and the frame is recorded, producing a seismogram. Application: essential in studying earthquakes and the Earth's internal structure. Atomic clock. Purpose: provides extremely precise time measurements. Principle: uses the vibrations of atoms, such as cesium-133, to define the length of a second. Application: crucial for global positioning systems, GPS, telecommunications, and scientific research. Interesting fact: modern atomic clocks are so precise that they would lose less than a second over the entire age of the universe. This level of precision is vital for technologies like GPS, which rely on exact time measurements to determine positions accurately. Humorous fact: why did the physics student bring a ladder to the lab? Because they heard the experiment had a lot of potential. Conclusion: measuring instruments are the backbone of experimental physics, transforming abstract concepts into observable and quantifiable data. From detecting Earth's subtle movements to keeping time with astonishing accuracy, these tools enable us to explore and understand the universe in profound ways. Thanks for joining us on Mind Over Physics. If you enjoyed this exploration of measuring instruments, please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting physics adventures.